In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 350 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. It is less than 5, so we will consider the first two digits. That is the number 35. We know that 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, we get a 0. As 0 is less than 5, so we will bring down this number 0 here. Now this is the number 0, so we will remove one 0. And we know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the remainder 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 350 divided by 5 is equal to 70, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.